swimming. We will be going underwater and doing stuff like this in the pool and slow-mo though. Hello, this is Sophia, and that is me jumping right into the pool in slow motion.
It feels like she's never, ever gonna come up. But wait for it, 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 wait for it. Wow!
There, I'm about to do a handstand and flip over. Here come my feet. And now I'm flipping over.
This young fellow is named Charlie, and he's swimming across the pool. Wow, that's so impressive. Look at those big muscles. This underwater explorer loves to go underwater and explore.
There's me doing a backflip underwater.
Make sure you subscribe if you love this video and like it.